What's poppin'? First black business t-shirt press. Let's see if I can get that peel. Zoom in on the bag. Yeah. Yo, Tattoo Gang, what's good? I'm happy, y'all. I've been pressing shirts since 2013. I'm back at it again. We got a lot of brands coming to y'all very soon. Y'all gonna see the t-shirts pressed in this video. Y'all gonna see the unboxing of the Heat Press Nation. Heat Press, man, I bought a Heat Press from them in 2013. We still have that Heat Press now. If y'all can check it out, man, we made these shirts, what, 2 years ago, man? You could brand yourself, you could do a lot, man. So I think it's important to start investing in y'all self, investing in y'all brands, even if you was to buy it for yourself, even if you was thinking about buying it. Heat Press Nation is a certified heat pressing company, man. I'm really happy to get another one. Since I left Chicago, I've been thinking about doing t-shirts, just getting busy with life, tattooing, finding myself again, man. But I'm back at it and stronger than ever, man. I appreciate all my loved ones who follow me and support me, all my friends, all my new friends, my followers, my YouTube Nation was good. Tattoo Gang was good. But yeah, we gonna get to it, man. I'm gonna do this unboxing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm geeked up, y'all, if y'all can tell. You see that say, fragile. You know what I'm saying? Heat press machine, man. Let's get this money, God. I'm gonna be giving back off this brand, man. I'm gonna be giving to my community, to the black community, to those in need. It's real important that we know we can start businesses too. We can get to it too. What we waiting on? What you waiting on? This what you've been waiting for? This what you've been hating for? Get to it. I thought I heard a doorbell. But yes, sir. Let's get to it. Look how they kick it off. Look how they started it off. Heat Press Nation. Yeah, I'll drop a pic of this in the box though later. You feel me? Y'all probably can't see it. It ain't gonna focus in. But yes, sir. Heat Press Nation. Tell you about everything in it and everything. So, Heat Press, man, they really look out for you, man. I had that boy for 7 years. Y'all don't even want to know how many shirts we press. I have a lot of shirts, man. I'm going to put them a little snippet in. Y'all might see it like right now. I'm going to show all the shirts we made and everything. But yes, sir. I'm real happy about this, y'all. Got the manual in that boy. Woo! Smell like money, y'all. Smell like success. It smell like starting another business. If you got one business, create another one. Create another income. It's very important that y'all start creating streams of income. Generational wealth is very important, man. So whoever listen to this and need to hear this, start your business. No waiting, no excuses. Whoever said they was gonna help you, don't wait on them. Spend that whole check. Invest in yourself. Don't be afraid. Only reason why these big businesses win, they wasn't afraid to invest in themselves. So check it out, y'all. Yes, sir. Check it out, y'all. See that boy in there? What that look like to y'all? Good old money, man. Good old money. Come together. Heavy duty qualified. My boy Drew should be on the way. He had open heads up. We tried to press the shirt. I pushed that boy down and it boom! Amazon Heat Press, man. It's worth it too, though, but we'll see. He'll drop that in his YouTube. I'll drop his link and stuff down below. But yeah, back to this Heat Press opening. I'm by myself, y'all, so y'all gotta bear with it. Damn. You see this, man? This is my baby. This is my baby for the next couple of years, man. Y'all gonna see this business grow. I'm gonna pray to God. I'm gonna pray that everything goes well, that I'm able to help many, that I'm able to give back to the black community, to all those who helped me. Y'all gonna see I got some big moves coming. Hopefully y'all follow and see. Woo! Yes, sir. Let me show y'all this go. It's heavy though. Y'all don't try this at home. This heavy. Heavy duty. It's like Christmas, y'all. I swear it's like Christmas. Wow. Woo! smell like money, man. I don't know if y'all don't know what this means, man. This is a blessing to be able to invest in yourself. It's a blessing to see stuff you work so hard for to come true. Like me tattooing, to opening up a shop, to being afraid, to taking risks. It's very scary. Definitely when you don't have a lot of people around pushing you the right way, they're always pushing you to the wrong things and telling you why you're doing this or why you should be doing this or that. Look at this machine, man. It's a beautiful machine. I'm gonna do a close-up, do a zoom in, y'all check it all out. But yeah, boy, this boy heavy duty and everything. I'm gonna zoom in on it for y'all. Yes, sir. I'm gonna open it up and stuff. Check it out, though. Yes, sir. Do y'all see that? How that boy looking? How that boy looking? Yes, sir. Beautiful. Beautiful, y'all, man. We're gonna get this money, I promise. Y'all see that setup? Yeah, what this sound like? Cha-ching! 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 Get this money! Yeah, I'm hyped up, y'all. I'm turned up. Hopefully, y'all stay with me on this journey. Anybody interested in opening up t-shirt businesses, investing in themselves, you gotta have a following. If you don't have a following, you gotta get out here, hit the streets, and really just make a brand you believe in first. Make sure that that brand is gonna be doing something positive, even if it's from helping your kids, helping your household, helping other people's households, man. I think sometimes we have an agenda of putting ourselves first. And yes, you have to be selfish sometimes, but with business, you have to remember, we can't do it alone. It's a scam. For all those black people out there been told, hey, you can do it independently, you can do it on your own, ask all the business owners who did it on their own how hard it was. Y'all need to start reading books like 4-Hour Work Week and the E-Myth books. I'm gonna drop all those down below. Y'all can hit those links, get those audio books, get those paperback books. Start investing in your mindset. It's very important, y'all. But yeah, I know what y'all been waiting for. We're gonna press a shirt in a minute when my boy Drew get here. But until then, I'm gonna close y'all out. But first, I wanna say a prayer. I wanna thank you, God, for putting me in this position to help everyone watching, to help my family, to be able to provide for my kids, the people around me. It's been like a lot of attacks on the family, on everybody 2020. So I pray everybody doing well. I pray that everyone is focusing in on things they said they wanted to do. Hopefully this time isn't hurting y'all and it's really showing y'all how strong y'all can be. For everybody who need to hear this, for everybody that need to start praying, man, give them faith. Give them hope, God. I already know you open and you ready for them, so amen. Hopefully y'all like that prayer. I like it. I love y'all. Catch y'all in a minute. Tattoo game was good. Entrepreneur game was good. Let's get to it though, yeah. The t-shirt's finally in. Of course y'all can tell this another day. I'm gonna press one shirt for y'all in this video. Just got that merch in, you feel me? Got the white tees. Got the white tees in. Go crazy, yes sir. These must be the black tees, you know. I'm more of a black type of guy. I like more dark colors. But when you got people shopping, you gotta get different colors. But yes, sir. Got the black tees in. Ordered them, they came very quick in 2 days. As long as you spent over a certain amount, shipping was free. So yeah. I'll show y'all how to get all the merch and t-shirts and whatever you want in another video. But yeah, let's get to pressing the shirt. I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need to do. Number one thing y'all gonna need is this young lint roller, because you wanna make sure none is never on the t-shirt, on the garment that you're pressing or anything. So always make sure you get you a lint roller. You see that? Plugging y'all. But yeah, make sure you get a lint roller. Y'all gonna catch me when I'm pressing the shirt. Tattoo gang, once again, we got that heat press warmed up, heat press nation press, let's go crazy. And then yeah, as you can see, sometimes there's a little bit of lint and stuff on the t-shirt, so you just want to make sure you lint roll it. You know, make sure all that stuff up off of it. Y'all got to be safe though. because it's heated up. So I would recommend y'all probably do it with it off it. I've been pressing shirts for a while, so I know how to be careful around the heat press. So, because it's very hot from up top, you know, from the top of this, very hot, a lot of heat. So y'all don't want to make sure y'all burn y'allself. Boss lady having Ash say, hey, ain't it hot? Don't burn yourself. So yeah. Okay, I got the t-shirt on there, as y'all can see why that lint roller was so important sometimes. There's a lot of stuff that you can't see on t-shirts. So once again, we got it clean. Now I'm gonna pick one of these young designs I have. Which color you want, babe?
White.
White? White or red? White?
White.
Okay.
No, actually red.
Red?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the design always come mirrored because when you press it on a shirt, it goes the other way. So make sure you cut it. Normal people would cut it. When you get good, you can cut it exactly like this. But since you guys might not know how to put it on there correctly, because you see if I put it on there like this, you can't see exactly where it's at. So I would recommend anybody first starting to take it, cut it all the way down, you know. Put it all the way down. Wow. Somebody phone ringing in the background. Busy guy. Just make sure you get close as possible, because most t-shirts are all 2 inches from the neck area. So once you get those 2 inches from the neck area, you want to be on point with that. So yes sir. But y'all see that black business got a lot of stuff coming soon to that one. Yeah, so you want to place it first. You could heat up the shirt. You could just hit it with like a 5-second, bring some heat, because this is going to be transferred with the heat, and then you just lift it up yourself. You don't have to give a lot of pressure. See, it's real clean. Now you got the heat coming from it. And there we go. That's what I was looking for, y'all. You don't want to make it a sheen, so you make sure you get some of this paper. It normally comes with it. So let's go crazy. Line it up about 2 inches from the neck. This is a woman's shirt or a small, so 2 inches for the neck. I just have a good eye. Let's see if I get that right, y'all. Put that boy up on there. Woo! Y'all hear that money sound? Y'all hear that noise? Very hot on the top too. If you can see, high temperature. Do not touch. Very dangerous. A lot of people be making a lot of mistakes with it, so y'all be careful. But yeah, y'all see that countdown? 3, 2, 1. Let's go crazy, y'all. Let's see what's popping. First black business t-shirt press. Let's see if I can get that peel. Zoom in on the bag. Yes, sir. Y'all see what that say? Black business. You gotta support it. You gotta get to it. Let's go crazy though. Check it out, y'all. Yes, sir. Do y'all see that shirt? It go crazy. You see that? Black business.
Get your coins, get your dollars.
Yep. It all
Put it
count.
back into black business.
Yep, invest. Yeah, everybody else got a market but us, man. We finna have a whole black market going crazy, supporting other black business, showing y'all how to put those dollars back into the community. Babe started her own business too. Y'all be seeing that coming soon on her page. But yeah, invest in y'allself. This the perfect time. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know, hit that notification bell. Man, comment down below if y'all need any info on anything. I'm here for y'all, social media wise, YouTube wise, where I get the prints done at, where I order the t-shirts at. Whatever y'all need to know, I'm gonna drop all that stuff in the next video. Just tell me what y'all wanna see. But yeah, until next time, I love y'all, appreciate y'all for subscribing, always showing love. But yeah, we out.